Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, and welcome to 5 affiliate marketing mistakes that you can avoid. Now, I made a lot of these when I was getting started. I'm still guilty of some of them, and I figured that it might be a useful video for some beginners out there. So let's get started. Now, mistake number 1 is inconsistent action, and this can mean two things. It can mean doing the same thing, but not doing it consistently or often enough, and it can also mean doing too many different things and spreading your energy out. And the reason this is a problem is that as a beginner, you really need to build momentum. And if you're doing too many different things or not doing the same thing often enough, you're not going to be able to build that momentum that you need in order to get the results that you want. So it's really important that you do take consistent action. And a solution to not taking consistent action is to build success into existing habits. So if you're trying to start doing something and you're having trouble getting used to it, then you can combine that with an existing habit that you already have, and it'll make it a little bit easier. So for me, recently I wanted to start making a YouTube video every day, so I started doing that with my morning coffee, and it made it a lot easier for me to adapt and get used to making a YouTube video every single morning. Now, mistake number 2 is not reading the terms. And this can be the terms of anything, but specifically I'm talking about affiliate terms in the affiliate agreements that you have with vendors. And you really need to know what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. So the solution here is going to be to read those terms and be aware of what you should be doing, what you shouldn't be doing, and make sure that you stay on the vendor's good side. Now, mistake number 3 is doing everything or trying to do everything and be everywhere. Now, some very famous marketers out there will tell you that you need to do everything and be everywhere. And that might be great for them, but the truth is, as a beginner, you're not going to have the bandwidth, the energy, or the resources that you need in order to do everything and be everywhere. So the solution here is going to be to focus on one activity until it's easy, until you have a certain level of expertise and even mastery over it, and then build your business up based on that. Mistake number 4 is not investing in knowledge. And knowledge is really key in the world of affiliate marketing or marketing in general. And the thing is, a lot of things are constantly changing. Ad platforms are constantly changing. Social media platforms are constantly changing. And you need to be aware of their terms. You need to be aware of what works and what doesn't work. And it's really hard to stay on top of all of those things by yourself. So you can invest in knowledge with your time or with your money. You can do it or with a combination of those two. You can do it by reading books and blogs. You can do it by taking online courses and paying mentors to give you advice. And that's going to be really key, not only in your early development, but in your continued development as a marketer. Now, mistake number 5 is focusing on the money. And this is going to be a problem at the beginning. It's going to be a problem no matter where you are in your affiliate marketing journey, because if you're focused on the money, then you're not going to be enjoying the process. And the way that you can avoid that, especially early on, is by picking something that is going to inspire you to keep working and to keep doing building your business. So the solution here is to embrace the journey, enjoy the process, and focus on activities that are going to get you out of bed in the morning happy.